good morning, and happy sell-off day. I'm gonna explain the game plan in a second. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm thinking, how I'm gonna trade it. I probably won't be looking for longs today. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up the live trading over here in the premium, and go from there, guys. All right. Today's gonna be something. I'm gonna tell you guys. We are back in the selling market, so we gotta adjust again. We had normal markets for about 3 weeks, and now we're back. All right. So we're gonna see how this goes, guys. We are gonna see how this goes. Now, before I start up the live trading, guys, if you guys haven't joined the premium already, if you guys don't want to delay in your stream, guys, use code 80 for 80% off any premium upgrade. All right, guys, it's the first link in the description. All right. Now, let me go ahead and start the live trading. Yo. All right, guys. All right. All right. So you guys know, last week I told you guys coming into Monday, maybe even Tuesday, I'm not gonna try out the inverse model first thing off the bat. I'm going to be trying out hold on, let me put this up on my stream real quick. I'm gonna be trying out what is it, the continuation model today. All right, and I have a reason behind that. All right, now obviously you guys know we sold off like crazy coming into market open. All right, so we're gonna see what we can work with here. All right, but yeah, okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I know we took out both this London low and this higher time frame external low, but I mean, come on, guys, it's obvious. We all know that we're more than likely gonna continue going lower. The reason behind that is not only do we have tariff news tomorrow, but the market is still in extreme fear. So you guys remember the market that a lot of people struggled in, the market that kept selling off. I'm talking 300, 500 points every single day. I hate to tell you guys, but we're back in that market. Like we just know it. I mean, we have tariffs right around the corner. Look at how the market's reacting. We're back in extreme fear. Everything is back at all-time lows, or not all-time lows, but like almost yearly lows. So yeah, we're back in that market. So we gotta start adjusting quick. We don't have room to mess up. I don't want to mess up. So yeah, we gotta get started. All right. So the current game plan right now, guys, is obviously NQ looks way stronger than ES does. Obviously ES, you know what I mean? There's no gap here. There's not much selling going on. ES is still a green candle here, but NQ on the other hand sold off like crazy and created this very, very, very nice fair value gap, which dumped nearly 200 points in 5 minutes. All right, so yeah, we have a ton of imbalances in this candle. So the current game plan right now, guys, is look for a retracement, wait for about a 35. I'm gonna do a big stop loss today, guys, because obviously the market is really, really volatile. So please size accordingly. All right. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, is we're gonna look for a fair value gap retracement plus a 35-point rejection. Then we slap shorts and we take it all the way down into 800. All right, guys, that is the current game plan. Now, I know 800 might sound far, but trust me, with the news, I mean, with the volume that we have off open, it's pretty doable. It is pretty doable. So we're gonna see what we can snipe off there. All right, guys. Now there is a slight chance where the inverse model could work. And the reason I'm saying that is because obviously we took out a very strong external low, and we also took out this London low down here. And it might look like buyers could want to step in. All right, but like I said, the first strat that I'm trading today is gonna be the continuation model. I'm gonna risk it. You know, what I mean, it has probably a higher chances of playing out in our favor due to tariffs and the way the market is in fear right now. So that's what we're doing right now. All right, guys. So let me get this ready real quick. But yeah, man, we gotta adjust quick. We already know the market's gonna be selling off like crazy, and tomorrow is gonna be maybe the craziest day. I'm not gonna lie. Tomorrow might be the craziest day because obviously we have the tariffs actually kicking in. So wait, was it? No. It's not tomorrow. It's Wednesday, not tomorrow. My bad, guys. Not my bad. My bad. It's Wednesday. It's April 2nd. So tomorrow is April 1st, and then April 2nd. All right, yeah. So tomorrow. I mean, bro, Wednesday, bro. Wednesday on Wednesday. So tomorrow could be I want to say maybe the most normal day out of this week. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be a normal day. We don't know. But it could be. Now, does anyone know what type of news we have? Let me check it real quick. Forex Factory. Okay, so today we have no news. Surprisingly, we have no news. What? Do we not have news today? I guess not. Okay. Well, I know tomorrow we do have news though. Yeah, so tomorrow we have PMI and JOLTS. Okay, so tomorrow's gonna be interesting for sure. For sure, very, very interesting. Now Wednesday, like I said, Wednesday, I don't know if I'm gonna really be super, super on the charts due to tariffs. I might just let the market react and then we play the next day. And then guys, Friday we are not trading. All right, we have Powell speaking literally in the middle of the day. I'm not trying to do that. All right, so we are not trading Friday. We are not touching Friday. All right, guys. But yeah, today, tomorrow, you know, hopefully they're good days. Wednesday, I mean, maybe we do a little bit of commentary here and there due to Trump and the tariff news and all that stuff. And then Thursday we trade, and then Friday we stay cash. All right, guys. But yeah, today we have no news, so we should be good and not expect very impulsive candles. I hope. All right. Anyways, so far, yeah, like how we're expecting, sellers are still in control. Now what I am looking for, guys, is gonna be a retracement. This is all I'm looking for. Something like this. I want to see something like this, and then we slap shorts. We hold it all day. All right. Me personally, I do believe, yeah. I hate to say it, but we're probably gonna continue going lower today. All right, guys. And the reason for that, like I said, is the market is in extreme fear right now. Like everyone in the market is selling. Everyone is scared. Tariffs is they're coming out on Wednesday. It's gonna be crazy. All right. Now I'm just crossing my fingers. I'm really, really crossing my fingers that we can get some sort of an entry today, because buyers stepping in today is asking, in this case, is asking for a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It is asking for a lot. Wait, let me go live on YouTube. I completely forgot about my YouTube. Oh crap. Okay. But yeah, asking for a pullback today is asking for a lot. You know what I mean? So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see how this goes. Let's see. Now, for us to get a retracement, even into the complete bottom of the Fair Valley Cup, we need a 60-point push-up. That's gonna be that's gonna be something, man. Because we obviously know we don't have any buyers in control, and ES is selling off like crazy right now. Now, I don't have any levels to the downside on ES. I don't think we're gonna need it either way. We know that we're gonna continue going lower, but yeah, we're gonna see, man. We are going to see. All right. What's your 800 level? Okay, guys, all of these levels that I have all the way down here, go over to a 30-minute time frame, and you guys can find all of the levels there. All right. But yeah, let's see if we can get a retracement here. Just share your. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Is it here? Oh yeah, copy link right here. All right, yeah, here. Here's my chart in the chat. Buyers are trying to step in. Like I said, all we're looking for right now, guys, is a simple retracement into this fair value gap and a simple rejection, and then we slap shorts. Now, if buyers step in like super strong and we inverse this gap, sure, I'll consider taking longs. But guys, if we don't end up inversing this, I'm looking for shorts all day long. I already know what's gonna happen. It happened before. We have experience with it. I'm gonna be looking for a rejection off of this fair value gap into lower. That's gonna be my game plan for now. All right, how big of a stop loss? I'm gonna be waiting for about a 30 to 35 point rejection, so our stop loss could vary around that range. All right, because remember the game plan is with continuation models. I don't know if you saw the video or not, but the way I explained them or the way that I trade them is we look for a retracement, we wait for a 30-point sell off. Right, once we get that 30-point sell off, then we enter. Let's say for example the 30-point sell off is right here. We enter, we place our stop loss right here, right at the complete top of the rejection, and then we just write it down. All right, so actually with the continuation model, we can control where we want our stop loss. All right, and by that, it's just entering based off how many points you want the rejection to be. So in this case, we want it to be about 30 points. So we will look to enter like around 94 for in this example, and then we just place our stop loss at the complete top of the rejection, just like that. All right, so that's what I'm going to be looking for. Now buyers are trying to step in. Obviously, they are not strong. I just hope there's enough buyers to be in the picture for us to get just a tiny retracement into this gap. That is all I ask for, guys. Because now we're gonna have to wait for another fair value gap to be formed, and then we're gonna have to, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a whole deal. Um. So yeah. Yes, bro. I'll check the DMs. Yes, I saw your message already. I'll check DMs after the live. Obviously, I'm not gonna check in the live. Yeah, Blast. Do you have an indicator on TradeAway? No, I don't use indicators on TradeAway. No, no, no. On TradeAway, all I use is all I use TradeAway for is buy and sell orders. But yeah, no, we are selling off a little bit more. Maybe we can create a small fair value gap here in the next 3 seconds, and then we can maybe use this one. Because for us to retrace literally almost 100 points for an entry, that's a little bit OD. I don't know. We do have a fair value gap over on ES. Maybe we take shorts off ES. Um, if that's what we have to do, because like I said, getting a retracement in today's market is gonna be a little bit hard. It's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be asking for a lot. So it's try to enter shorts as fast as possible. You know what I mean? That's what we want to be looking for. Now we do have a small gap here that we could use. I don't know how reliable it's gonna be because obviously it is not the biggest one. But I mean, if we hold it up, it won't be a horrible idea to actually use it. No, MESM. Yeah, MESM 5. No, yeah, it is an imbalance, obviously, yeah. But the reason I'm saying it might be like a little bit messy is because it's really small. So all we need is like a perfect rejection off the midpoint and then retracement. But yeah, we have a 70-point imbalance here. So yeah, we do have it. So maybe in the next 4 minutes, if this candle can hold up literally around this range, doesn't go any higher or lower, we should be good for a small retracement into this gap for shorts. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we can work with. I'm just hoping we don't fill this fair value gap, which is exactly what we're doing. Because if we can't use this fair value, guys, we're gonna have to still try to use this one up here, and that's really far away. I'm not saying it can't work. It's just gonna take a long time. Look at this. It's gonna take a really, really long time. So I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna work off that. We have to find a way, obviously. But worst case, guys, I feel like instead of us using this fair value gap, if this one doesn't hold up, we might have to use ES for shorts, which in today's market is not horrible. I mean, we could still use it really, really nice. Because the gap is definitely here. But yeah, NQ does not really have a gap that I'm too interested in. So for now, I feel like I'm gonna put my eyes over on ES and see what we can work with. Yeah, that's gonna have to be the case. The thing is, I don't have anything. In the meantime, while we wait for the 2 minutes to go ahead for the candle close, I'm gonna go ahead and use this time to actually look for some levels to mark out to the downside, for our price targets. Okay, yeah, we actually have some levels to target here, so it can be horrible. Let's see. I guess we could work with like these levels down here. I don't feel like we go below 400 either way. But yeah, NQ did fill this Ferrari gap, so we can't even use this one even if we wanted to. Okay, pretty much all the levels that we have to work with are these right here. And ES is rejecting. Don't tell me it went back red. It did. Oh wait, we already hit 34. Okay. I'm just really hoping we get a retracement. Right here, this retracement is pretty reasonable. It's not. It doesn't look like anything too crazy. All we need is like what, like a 5.7 point push up. That can't be that hard. So yeah, guys, we're gonna have to focus over on ES for today. Or at least for now. At least for now. I don't know if we could another fair value gap going lower, but the only thing that we kind of have to work with right now, unless we get the most random push up ever into this up here, we're gonna have to use this one. This is gonna be the most reasonable setup that we have right now, and the most like the closest setup that we have to take shorts into. So yeah. Okay, we're getting a nice bounce here over on NQ. Wait, let me fix my ES contracts here, because I know on stream is gonna show a little bit messed up. Yeah, there it is. Hold on, let me change this real quick. There you go. Okay. Okay, so if we do end up taking shorts, I would look to target these three. I'm gonna do 3 price targets. I don't want to do anything too crazy. Okay, let's see. This next candle opened up, guys. So start paying attention. If we do get a retracement, we can definitely start looking for the entry model. I'm just hoping we don't sell off anything too much. I really want to see a green candle here, which we're about to get actually. So I'm gonna see how we react off this fair value gap. If we get a nice rejection, which we're about to, there's a retracement. Now all we need to find is a rejection. So I might wait for like a 4-point sell off over on ES, maybe 4 or 5 points, and then we take it from there. So it would look somewhat like this. something like this wouldn't be a bad idea. But I let me see. Hold on. Because remember, we need like a very, very strong selling candle. So I feel like right now would be like a perfect time. It's just I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm as nervous as you guys are because usually you guys know I don't really look to trade continuation models, especially after we take out drawn liquidity. So it could be risky, but it is definitely a risk that I want to add over at least for today. At least for today. That'll be good. But yeah, guys, remember, I'm not anything right now. All I'm looking for is a nice green to red candle off of this fair value gap, and then we take something. Now, if this gets inverse, then we're gonna go ahead and move our focus over to this fair value gap up here. All right, guys, that's what we're looking for. So right now, we're looking to see if we can get a rejection, which we're not. So we're gonna go ahead and scrap this idea, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is see if buyers can go ahead and step in here. All right, now if buyers inverse both this, which obviously this one we got inverse, if buyers inverse both this one and this one up here, then yeah, I'll start looking for longs into this London high. But what I'm going to be looking for now, guys, is since this one couldn't hold up for the entry, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pay attention over to NQ to see if we can reject off this one. All right, and honestly, I feel a lot better that we can reject off that one because I wanted to take NQ either way. You guys know how I am with ES. I don't really like it that much, and I'm sure you guys don't like it either. All right, but that was kind of like an idea that we were looking at. All right, guys. But yeah, buyers are stepping in really, really nice here. But yeah, there's two things that can happen. If buyers take complete control of the market, which obviously is possible, we're not going to be perma bears. But we are definitely more open to looking for shorts than longs. But if we end up retracing into this gap and we don't get any rejections and we actually inverse this fair value gap up here, then we could definitely look to take longs into 236 and 272. All right, and maybe even 322. All right, but right now, like I said, what we're looking for is a retracement plus a rejection. Once you get that 30 to 35 point rejection, then we'll go ahead and take the shorts. All right. Now I'm just hoping that this setup doesn't get messed up and we continue going lower, because then we still won't have any entry at all. All right. But yeah, let's see. I'm just hoping that buyers have somewhat of a control to just push up at least 60 points. But if we can, guys, if we can get a 60-point push up into the midpoint of this fair value gap, it will be the best thing that we can probably get today. It'll be the best entry that we could probably get for shorts. But the thing is, right now, it's just I know we're getting a little pullback right now, but I know this pullback is not gonna hold up. I know this pullback is not gonna be holding up at all today, or at least right now. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, buyers are stepping in really, really nice, so maybe we do get a very nice rejection. I'm just hoping we're able to just retrace into this zone right here. That's where I want to take my shorts. And if we do end up taking it, let me go ahead and delete this level. Actually, no, I'm going to keep this level up for a second just in case we get a deal wall sweep. Just so we know what's happening. But if we do end up taking shorts, I would look to target, I would say these two levels. I don't want to do anything crazy. But let's see what we can work with here. Let's see. I just know this is a pullback. I don't think the market's going to reverse anytime soon. It could. I'm not saying it can't. I'm not saying it can't. But just with the experience that we've had with the charts literally a month ago today, this is going to be a retracement. It has to be. With the market being in extreme fear, there's no way we just bottom out here. Now, obviously, like I said, I'm still open to taking longs. I'm not saying I'm not going to take longs. I would take longs above this inverse right here. But right now, my main focus is going to be a retracement plus a rejection. That is what I want to see. All right, let's see. Next candle opened up. We did create a fair value gap here, which I don't think it should be too much of an issue. 75 points. I don't think it will be too much of an issue. As long as the selling is strong, we can... All right, let's see. Where do I get this retracement? All right, there's the retracement. Okay. So... No, Tom, I never do it. No. That's what I'm telling you guys. It's not something I really look for, but with the way the market is moving, it's what we have to do, kind of. Like, we're forced to. We're kind of forced to here. Now, I don't want to take a shorts off of this tiny, like, this much of a rejection. I do definitely want to see a little bit higher at least. So we're going to see. Now, on the 15-minute, we don't have anything either, which is good. Okay. All right, we're gonna see. I want us to shoot a little bit higher into this fair value gap so we can actually get the full retracement. And depending on whatever we do there, if we want to continue going higher, we could take longs off this. If we want to go lower, we could take shorts off a rejection. All right, guys, but it has to be a strong rejection. I'm talking 35 to 40 points. I don't care what the stop loss is. I'll just size lighter. We just need to make sure that our rejection is confirmed. All right, if not, then obviously we're gonna get stopped out because buyers are kind of in control right now. But yeah, let's see. So if we look, for example, if we were to reject right now, right, from wherever we're at right now, we're gonna put our stop loss right here at the candle wick, right? And then we just look to target all of this. And then depending on whatever the stop loss is, we would look to enter right here. So we're looking for a 35-point stop loss. We're gonna enter at 35-point rejection. So it would be like around here, for example. All right. So yeah, depending on wherever we reject from, we just play with this number. And whatever says 35 points, we just work with that. All right, guys. But if buyers are able to gain complete control, not gonna lie, I would be actually very, very surprised. And I would just look to take longs instead. All right. And as much as my bias would be bullish in any other day in this type of setup, in this case, the reason I'm going to be bearish, guys, is obviously you guys know the deal. We are in extreme fear. It just makes more sense. Like there's more probability in shorts working out, even though we took out liquidity. It's just how it is. You guys remember the last market we had like this? We couldn't catch any reversals for an entire week. But we're going to see. I mean, if buyers are in complete control, like I said, I'm open to taking longs. It'll be off of this inverse up here. But yeah, we got the complete midpoint rejection here. All right. So let's see what we can do. But if we reject perfectly off the midpoint, that'll be beautiful. That is what I wanted to see. But let's see. In the meantime, let me, just in case we do get longs, let me tap up the alert just in case. Because I already know what I want to target. So our price targets would be just these 4 price targets. So it would be the London high at 19,003.75. Then we have 19,272.25. Then we have, right now buyers are getting weak. So like I said, I am expecting a rejection, but whatever happens, happens, honestly. 365. Okay, there you go. Anyways, let's see. Yeah, buyers are getting weak. Now, I don't know if we should be worried about this fair value gap down here. But I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. All right. That's a really nice project. Oh my, wait, hold on. I'm looking at, there it is. Wait, I gotta change my OBS here. Oh shit. All right, guys, I might start looking for shorts very, very soon here. I don't know if I have time to fix my OBS. Let me see. There you go. Okay. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be looking for shorts very, very soon. I'm just waiting. I'm just looking to see how this level holds up. Look at that rejection. All right, guys, I'm in shorts. I'm gonna try out shorts here, guys. I got filled at 82. I got filled at 19,082. There we go. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and place my stop loss at the top over at 126. So buy 10 stop. There you go. Okay, next candle opened up. Wait, actually, this is a 10 a.m. candle. This could be a what is it? The macro, I think it's called. So we're gonna see how that goes. Go ahead and zoom in here. But yeah, this is the 10 a.m. candle, so it could get a little bit volatile here, but I'm gonna say it's fine in a way. Hold on, let me go ahead and see real quick. All right, but yeah, no, buyers are still a little bit strong here. I don't know if we're still gonna get the rejection here, but we're getting close to the stop loss. Now, if buyers are still in control and we end up inversing this, I'll just look to take longs. But I know buyers, that rejection didn't really hold up too well. I'm still in, so we'll see. But buyers did take a little bit of control with this 10 a.m. candle. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, no. Yeah, I got stopped out on that one, guys. I got stopped out. Buyers are still. I'm still open to re-entering if we still get a rejection. But the way buyers are stepping in, I might pay attention a little bit more to longs, and we just take it from there. But let's see. Yeah, guys, I got stopped out on that one. I'll see if I re-enter or not, because the way buyers are stepping in, it could be pretty. Let me see. I'm gonna give this fair value gap some time here because we got the rejection here. It was a nice one, but buyers gain control once again, which is leading me to think we're just probably just gonna get the inverse. I mean the sweep off this and just reverse all the way back up to these two highs up here. So that's what I might be looking to take. I just need well, obviously buyers are really strong here, so I don't even need strong buying. We just need a little bit more buying to actually inverse this. But I feel like that's what we should be eyeing instead. Yeah. All right, yeah, guys. Start looking for. I'm gonna say try to do longs around 160. This is gonna be the like kind of like the backup setup here off of the inverse right here. I'll take these. Okay, there you go. But that rejection was nice. I'm not really too sure why we rejected just to bounce right back up at the next candle, but I'll review it after the live. See what happened there. But see, I just do like I really do like the way buyers are stepping. We do technically have the deal all sweep. Guys, the reason I was looking for a continuation model at first is mainly because obviously the market is, I told you guys the market is in extreme fear and it just makes the most sense. And keep in mind, guys, we could still reject off of this fair value gap. Keep that in mind. We could still definitely reject. I just with the at the point that we're at, entering will be way riskier because it's just gonna be messier. You know what I mean? Like we don't know if buyers are in complete control. We don't know if this is a retracement. You know what I mean? We don't know what we want to do. We don't know. But like I said, I'm gonna give the market some time, and then we'll see what we do from there. All right. So far, we have rejected about 20 points. So if you do get another rejection, as much as I do want to take shorts, it's the market is in a messy spot right now. Respected so far. Yeah, I know. We just need to see complete like selling aggression. I don't really mind using like a far stop like this to re-enter. But yeah, look, we're getting the same rejection. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of really do want to re-enter. And I just want to add the risk to it. I don't really mind. But I do want to give the market a little bit more time for a second. Literally just for a split second. So far on traded rate, buyers are still looking a little like the buyers are trying to hold it up. So like I said, I'm gonna give it a second before I actually decide what I really want to do. But as long as we stay inside of this gap, I might still be looking for shorts. But no, buyers, the volume, guys, the volume right now is going crazy. You guys do not understand. But if we're able to hold below like 110, I'll do it. 110 is what we're looking at, guys. But the volume right now is literally crazy. So far, nothing. We're still stuck in this kind of this range, right? It's like we know we could literally see that buyers and sellers are fighting for a trend here or for control. It's like I want to press the short button, but the volume is so crazy right now. All right, guys. I'm gonna try out shorts one last time. This is gonna be my final entry, guys. I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. I re-entered. I'm gonna try it one last time. I'm gonna see how it goes. And if this can't hold up, then honestly, I'll just probably just come back PM session or just call it a day. Yeah, the way the sell, like the way the volume is looking is super volatile. Is we're just trying to decide inside of this gap what wants to take control of what. All right. So it could get a little bit messy for a second, but whoever gains control or whatever gains control, we should be good off that. All right, guys. But we'll see. Remember, my stop loss is placed at 147. If this can't hold up, then I'll probably just call it a day and just let the market do its thing. All right, guys. But yeah, let me go ahead and put it right here real quick for a second. And by the way, size with whatever you guys are comfortable with. Remember, the market is super volatile right now. So obviously, you guys know what the deal is. All right, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Yeah, so far it's a doji candle. Both buyers and sellers are still fighting for a position. So we're gonna see what ends up happening. But so far, yeah, still kind of indecisive. Now, if we inverse this gap, as much as I would want to take it, I'm probably just gonna like chill out for a minute and just sit back and just let it play out. Because obviously we'd be 0 for 2. But the way sellers were in control or are still like stepping inside of the Ferrari gap is making me like shorts a good amount. But obviously we gotta give it time. Yeah, we keep getting green to red to green. It's literally all over the place. So yeah, just be careful, guys. Size with what you guys are comfortable with. Yeah, no, buyers are still in. It's like they're not even in control. It's just the volume is literally everywhere. Yeah. All right, guys. I got stopped out on this one. Again, on the re-entry. And if we end up inversing this, like I want to take it, but I just kind of want to chill out a little bit for a minute. Because I feel like it'll be too much, but the entry is going to be there. Because I know, bro, I know if I take the third entry, I'm going to get fully tilted. But let me just put this just in case for a second. Because like it's like sellers are trying to step inside of the fair value gap, but they're just not gaining control at all. And we just got the inverse right there. I don't know, like I do want to respect my rules. We'll see. Because this was the inverse that we were looking for. Like I want to take this. I do want to respect my rules for the 0 for 2. But the setup is there. Yeah, buyers are stepping in really strong. I'm gonna see. Hold on. I'm gonna see how this candle holds up, guys. If it sells back off, then I'm just gonna call it a day. Because this price action is crazy right now. It's way too volatile. Yeah, no, we're getting red to green flips, and buyers are in. Seems like complete control now. Sellers tried stepping in, buyers just outdid them. I'm just scared with the volume. I'm see if we're able to hold above this, I might consider just doing one more entry into the longs. Because we did get the inverse here, and then we do have room for higher. And just the fact that sellers aren't really as strong just leads me to think that we're definitely gonna go higher into at least this London high. Because look at that. You guys see what I mean? It's just a drawdown. Not usually it never worries me, but obviously you guys know. But I'm gonna see. Like I said, if we do end up rejecting off this candle right here and we just sell off, I'm just gonna call it. But you guys like, bro, look at this. Red, green, red to green, red to green, red to green, over and over and over. We just need that seller exhaustion because the selling that keeps coming in, it looks strong for a second, and then buyers pick it right back up. But this is not drawdown that I want to be putting myself into right now. So that's why I'm waiting it out to see what happens. I'll put this right here. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a second, guys. I'm gonna give it a second. Like I said, if this doesn't hold up, then I'm just gonna call it a day and just take the L for the day. But it's just like they're both buyers and sellers. They're still fighting to see what they want to do. Because you guys saw how that fair value gap held up for a second. But if we can get, guys, if we can get a red to green candle, very strong red to green into these highs up here, I'm gonna be taking longs. And it seems like that's literally what it wants to do. So we'll see. It's just a drawdown that could worry me a little bit. Nothing's getting respected, right? That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. But with the strength that we're getting right now, we're probably gonna see higher. It's just we need to time the entry right because obviously the volume is super volatile right now. So you already know how that's gonna be, man. One little pullback and it fucks with your stop loss. But if we're able to get a red to green into this right here, guys, I'll take my final position into the long. I am BC. I am. That's why I said the drawdown could worry me a little bit. That's why I'm trying to time it right. I do like the setup, but it's just the volume it's off. It's off. Yes, is rejecting off the 15. Didn't it feel it? Yeah, we don't have any 15-minute fair value gap over on ES. I don't know where you're seeing it. Yeah, we don't have anything here. But no, yeah, no, we're setting right back down. So I might not just take this. I just take the. Is that a clear market? Yeah, I know. There's no daily drawdown, bro. You don't have to spam it in the chat. Rejected? Yeah. So like I said, guys, if this holds down and doesn't hold the inverse in the next minute or so, I'm going to get off and just take the over 2. But we're going to see. It's like, you guys see the wicks right here. Buyers are stepping like crazy. Last, before you hop off, can you explain why you wanted to short? Yeah, I'll explain it. I got you, bro. I got you. It's kind of just like with the past. Last time we had tariff news, the market sold off like crazy. Any pullback that we had in the market was a retracement plus rejection. So I thought that's what was gonna happen today, and I looked to take shorts off this. Anyways, guys, we're getting a red to green again. So I'm just worried with the drawdown. That's what I'm worried about. Right, let's see what we can do with this candle. I feel like the next one's just gonna pump up with the way we bounced off this. But we're gonna see. So far, we still have the like. This volume is messy, bro. It's because it's not even this candle. Even in this candle right here, we kept getting green to red to green to red to green to red. That's what keeps happening. So it's gonna mess up the drawdown a little bit. Which is the only thing I'm worried about. Because obviously our model's telling us that we're gonna go higher. It's just the volume is all over the place. But let's see. That's a red to green right there. I'm just really worried about the way the volume is looking, guys. Because the same way we push up, the same way we push down is way too volatile. Yeah, same way we push up, guys. Same way we go right back down. Yep, you lose again on this candle. Did you break the rules with the tariff thing? No, not at all, not at all. Let me see. Hold up. Yeah, no, we're selling, guys. I'm not. I'm not trading this. I'm not trading this. Nothing seems to be getting respected. The fair value gaps not getting respected. The inverse not getting respected, and the volume is just all over the place. If anything, I feel like PM will be better, or I just call it with I take a little bit of a heavy L today. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty heavy L. But yeah. If anything, I'll come back later because right now nothing is getting respected at all. You guys saw it. We tried 2 times with the shorts off the fair value gap projection. We almost tried with the inverse. Nothing's getting respected today. I feel like it's just because the volume is way too crazy right now. Now, if we do sell off like crazy, I don't know if it's gonna be during the PM or not, but like I said, you guys know I've been wanting to short in the morning. I might look to take an inverse off this. Worst comes to worst. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna take this one on live, but I'll let you guys know. All right. But yeah, no, right now the market is moving crazy. I don't really suggest trading this, bro, because everything is getting stopped out. Everything is getting stopped out today. But I do like the way we did enter off the first trade, though. That was a nice entry. If it would have played out, obviously. But yeah, guys. In the meantime, what I am gonna say is if we do sell off like crazy, I definitely might look to take shorts. So if we don't catch it on live, I'm gonna be looking for something like this, guys. Because we definitely still have room for lower. It'll be something like this, guys. Off this 5-minute inverse into this New York low and this low down here. But for now, I kind of just want to chill out from the market for a minute. But the selling is coming in pretty strong, which is what we expected, just not above the fair value gap. You know what I mean? We expected it inside of this gap right here. But, you know what I mean? The volume is just messing everything up. So not much we can really do there. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are in shorts. Like a lot of you guys are in shorts. Which, honestly, I don't blame you guys. I just wish we had an actual valid entry. Because this right here would have been the most perfect entry, which we did get. And then we got this, whatever happened here, and then we're going back down. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make too much sense, but we have to deal with it. That's just what the market wants to do. But if I have to, the only entry I have for lower would have to be either off a fair value gap projection, if a retracement if we get it off here, or an inverse if we get it off here. All right, guys. But in the meantime, I might just chill out for a little bit. And then we just see what happens. This is a scalpers market, 100%, bro, 100%. The volume is there, but there's not much momentum. There's no trend or anything. It's kind of all over the place. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off the live for a minute, take a little breather off the charts. Obviously, right now I am 0 for 2. Like I said, the setup that I am gonna be watching, if it does play out in a little bit, is gonna be this inverse right here, guys. Right here. All right, it'll be off 19,035 if the selling is strong enough. All right, guys. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try avoiding this price action because the momentum is not there. All right, guys. Now I don't know if I'm gonna get back on live or not. You guys know I don't like doing PM lives, but if the market is volatile, then I'll consider it. But no promises. No promises. All right, guys. But if anything, I definitely will alert it. So remember, just keep an eye on it. I'm sure you guys can take care of yourself. Look for an inverse below 19,035.25. If the selling is strong, we take it there. All right. If anything, I will alert it. All right, guys. But yeah, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get off the markets, take a little bit of a breather, and I'll come back later. All right, guys. All right, I'll see you guys later then. All right, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. And YouTube, guys, I know today wasn't the cleanest. Like I said, if you guys do definitely want to take the same trades that we're probably gonna take during the PM session, it'll be this one right here. All right, guys, it'll be below 19,035.25, and then this will be our price targets. All right. But yeah, today I ended up going red for 0 for 2. So far we are red. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bring this back throughout the PM session. I'm gonna try my best, but if anything, I'll update you guys tomorrow. Now, before I get off, if you guys are interested in joining the premium to get live trading with zero delay and real-time alerts with all the education you guys need, go ahead and click the first link in the description and use code 80 for 80% off any premium upgrade. All right, guys. But that is gonna be enough of the live trading for me today. I'm gonna take a little bit of a breather and come back for the premium during the PM session. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later, guys.